Hi, my name is Maddie, and I'm the Summer Transitions Program Peer Assistant for Student Accessibility Services. We wanted to create a series of tutorials to help you navigate Sakai, which is Brock's online learning management system. This platform will be used for pretty much any course you'll take at Brock, both online and in person, so it's very important for you to get acquainted with it. By accessing and exploring Sakai before September, you might even save yourself some time later on. In this video, I'm going to show you a few different ways you can find Sakai and the process for logging in. Once I log in, I'll also show you the home page and go through some of its key features. First, I'll show you how to find Sakai through a simple Google search. I'm going to type Sakai into my search bar here. And as you can see, it's one of the first search results, so I'm going to click on it. This is what Sakai looks like when you first get to it. Although the announcements on this page may change fairly often, you'll know that you aren't signed in yet because of the Brock login button in the top right-hand corner, which I'm going to click on now. I'm using a private window in this case, so I can show you exactly what each step of the login process looks like. Here, I'm going to use my campus ID, followed by @brocku.ca. Then, I'm going to input my password, and I'll be brought to this page. So, this is coming up because Brock has a multi-factor authentication system set up. This is an extra step that you go through when logging in that helps protect your account and personal information. I have this set up through a third-party app, Microsoft Authenticator, but you can also have them text or call your phone if you prefer. Now that I've approved the request on my end, which unfortunately you can't see, it's going to ask whether I want to say signed in. I'm going to press yes. And there you go! You've successfully logged in to Sakai. Another way you can find Sakai is through your student portal. I'm going to go up to the top here and search my.brocku.ca. Since I've logged in already, it's automatically going to bring me to this page. In the courses section here, you'll see that there's a button which says Open Sakai. Pressing this button will bring you back to the main page just like before. Something I would also suggest is to have Sakai bookmarked so you can get to it quickly whenever you need. So now that we've logged in, the first thing that you should see is the home page. Right now, we're in the Overview tab, as you can see on the left-hand side of the page. This section here has updates about Sakai, for example if it's going to be down for a certain amount of time, and about Brock in general. So as you can see here, I'm filming this after the release of the timetable. Something I find very helpful about this page is it has announcements from all of your courses. So as you can see, I was recently in a spring class, and I can still open this announcement that my instructor posted several days ago. Now, we're going to go through some of these other tabs or tools on the left-hand side of the page. Let's go to Profile. This is my profile. It has my name, a short personal summary about me, my staff information, including my position and also where I work on campus. You can also upload a picture of yourself here, although I've yet to do that. I actually just set up my profile for one of my first year courses, and I find it can be nice for establishing connections and communicating with instructors or peers. Lastly, we're going to look at Preferences. I find that this tab is also very useful. What you can do here is change your settings for when Sakai sends you emails. For example, if you have an assignment due in 24 hours, you can set your preferences so that Sakai will send you an email to remind you of the upcoming due date. You can also have Sakai send you an email after you submit an online test or quiz. I find this feature to be very important because sometimes there can be errors with uploading assignments or submitting tests, so having this confirmation sent to you can be very reassuring. With that being said, that concludes my basic overview of how to access Sakai and what you can do on the homepage. Next time, we'll be diving further into a course site using the Sites button up here. So stay tuned.